How to perform a squat with proper form. How to do a proper squat, step-by-step guide. The squat is one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength, improving mobility, and enhancing overall fitness. However, doing it incorrectly can lead to injuries. Follow these steps to ensure proper form. Set your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Toes should point slightly outward, around 15 to 30 degrees. Keep your chest up and shoulders back. Engage your core. Tighten your core muscles to support your lower back. Maintain a neutral spine, avoid arching or rounding your back. Initiate the movement. Push your hips back first, as if sitting into a chair. Lower your body by bending at the knees and hips simultaneously. Keep your knees aligned with your toes, don't let them cave inward. Lower yourself to parallel or below. Aim to squat until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or lower if flexibility allows. Keep your weight on your heels and midfoot, not your toes. Ensure your knees don't extend past your toes excessively. Stand back up. Press through your heels and drive up using your glutes and quads. Maintain a neutral spine and engaged core as you return to the starting position. Avoid locking your knees at the top, keep a slight bend. Common mistakes to avoid. Crossmark rounding your back, keep your chest up and spine neutral. Crossmark lifting heels off the ground, keep weight balanced on heels and midfoot. Crossmark knees caving in, push them outward in line with your toes. Crossmark not going deep enough, aim for at least thighs parallel to the ground. Variations to try. White heavy checkmark bodyweight squat, great for beginners to master form. White heavy checkmark goblet squat, holding a weight at your chest improves stability. White heavy checkmark back squat, uses a barbell for increased resistance. White heavy checkmark sumo squat, wider stance targets inner thighs. White heavy checkmark Bulgarian split squat, focuses on single leg strength. Final tips. Small blue diamond warm up before squatting to improve flexibility. Small blue diamonds stretch your hips, hamstrings, and ankles for better mobility. Small blue diamonds start with bodyweight squats, then progress to weights. Small blue diamond performs squats 2 to 3 times a week for best results.